The Chevrolet Blazer is back, though it no longer a true off-road SUV. Instead, it become a sporty crossover, filling the lineup slot between the Equinox and Traverse. Chances are it'll sell very well, but even before sales get underway there already a bit of controversy. As reported by Reuters, GM has decided for Blazer production to take place at a manufacturing facility in Mexico. This comes as President Trump has been quite vocal, to say the least, about his anger towards American companies outsourcing jobs. He has specifically been pushing U.S. automakers to build more vehicles domestically and, at the same time, is anxious to renegotiate the North American Free Trade Agreement NAFTA with Mexico and Canada. A GM spokesperson said the production location decision was made years ago, but the automaker remains committed to working with the administration on a modernized NAFTA. While the president has yet to make a statement regarding the new Blazer production location, the United Auto Workers UAW wasted no time criticizing GM. This is all happening while UAW GM workers here in the US are laid off and unemployed, the union said. In case you are unaware, US automakers really like NAFTA because it allows them to shift production throughout the continent according to financial needs, thus enabling production to be more competitive with Asia and Europe. The cost of this, however, is the loss of U.S. jobs, where workers, often unionized, require higher wages than, for example, their Mexican counterparts.